A Honda Civic 2012 to 2014 version, installed for Cogoo S Series CG-AD010S 10.1 inch Android GPS HD player, big screen player with Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. Okay, the player will fix with the Civic, Honda Civic normal screen, OEM casing and OEM socket plug and play. Okay, modified for the wiring to connect steering control without Canbus. So this is 10.1 inch. Fixed with bracket, universal bracket, connect with OEM casing for Honda Civic. Okay, let me show you for the reverse camera. Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera, a radio, steering control, menu, okay, Android player, you have to clear apps, clear it one by one. Okay, main display UI, can go to the apps for full menu. It's got a Bluetooth, have to pairing with your phone Bluetooth. Okay, connect with your phone, then you click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Okay, music play. Okay, back. AV in, video input and video output. Okay, go to setting. You have to turn on the player Wi-Fi. Turn on, connect with your phone hotspot for internet, and log in a Google account to download app from Play Store. Okay, download Maps, Google Maps or Waze or YouTube for online maps. You can download Papago for offline maps. File manager, so internal storage, and you can, it's got a 2 USB slot. Okay, insert the USB pen drive or USB portable hard disk. Okay, car setting, you can do the sound setting, system info, Android 8.1. Okay, 1 GB RAM with 16 GB flash storage, display 1024x600. Support for the multimedia video playback up to Full HD version 1080p. Okay, no Canbus connect. Honda Civic modified, Honda Civic 2012 to 2014 version can modify wiring to connect steering control without Canbus. No need Canbus. Okay, factory setting, password 8888. Okay, to do the factory setting. Okay, protocol setting to do set up for the Canbus, but not for this car. Okay, Android setting, connect to same like the just now the setting step, connect Wi-Fi, GPS, preset volume detect, you can do the volume adjust, brightness adjust, steering control setting, others, when reverse, no mode, that means the radio still on. Okay, back to home. So when night time, turn on your headlight. So left hand side they got the light. Okay, this is Cogoo S Series 10.1 inch CG-AD010S 10.1 inch Android GPS big screen HD player. Connect with Honda Civic OEM normal casing and OEM socket. Okay, and video by 1bis. Thank you.